taking notes on a plain white notepad is kind of boring. What about something a little bit more fun and colorful? What about something like slime notes? That's a great idea! Here is all the ingredients that you need to make the slime. So first you start with 3 tablespoons of soap. You just put it all in the bowl. The next step is the food coloring, and you can put however much you want to make the color as vibrant as you want. And stir, stir, stir until it's all mixed nice and well. So satisfying. Next is the cornstarch. Make sure to do little bits at a time, because if you do too much, it doesn't work. It gets way too clumpy. So patience is a virtue, little bits at a time. We did probably like a tablespoon at a time, maybe 2 tablespoons. Mix it up. You could use a spoon or your hands. And voila, there's both of the colors.
Just sliding this yummy bowl of ice cream. Actually, this is the slime that we put right into our little notebooks. You can make any little grids. It can be different colors. You can get fun, creative. And surprisingly, we had a hard time finding these containers, but we found them on Amazon, and parents and or adults, because I was excited for this. This was only under $5 for a 4-pack of these, so that was a pretty cool find. And then if you don't want to buy any containers, of course you can just use storage containers, Tupperware, anything just laying around the house, a nice flat box. This was actually a pretty easy slime hack, and it smelled so good from the soap. And now we have a unique, fun way to do notes. We had so much fun making this for the first time, but it's definitely a great way to take notes. The pen writes down super easy, but it is a little messy, so we would recommend putting down a towel or something for the cornstarch. Also, our favorite part about these notes is that with the slime you can just take it out and just use it as like a nice stress reliever in everyday life. And here's our final product. I got Batman, he's my favorite, and then Krystal has Frozen, that is her favorite. Please comment your design, share with your friends and family, like, and subscribe.